Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today what I'm going to cook, I'm going to show you guys how I make seasoned rice. So over here you see I have some pumpkin diced up, some carrots, some okro, some string bean, and over here I have some cabbage. And over here I have my saltfish boiling in the water. Right here I have my pot boiling with water, so I'm going to add my carrots, my pumpkin, my string bean, my okra, and my cabbage. So first I'm going to add in the pumpkin, let it boil, the pumpkin and the carrots first. And then I'm going to put my okra and my string bean and my cabbage. I'm going to tip a little salt to boil with the pumpkin and the carrot. So now guys, I'm going to put in my cabbage. I'm going to add in my string beans and my okra. Okay guys, as you can see, it's boiling. My cabbage, my carrots, my pumpkin, and my string bean, and my okra. As you can see now, I'm going to put some thyme, scallion, and a scotch bonnet pepper. So right now I'm going to add some butter to it. So right here I have some chicken noodle soup. I'm just going to use the powder from the noodle to put inside of it to season it, to give it a taste. So right here I'm putting the noodles from the chicken noodle soup. So now I'm going to put a little all-purpose seasoning inside of it. Just a dash. This smells so good, guys. Imagine, oh my god. So I'm going to leave it to boil for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to put my saltfish and my rice. You guys, you can add anything you want, any type of seasoning you want, any type of vegetable you want, you can add in it. And you even can put sausage inside of it too, but today I don't want to put any sausage, so I'm just going to stick to what I have inside here right now. So I'm going to wash my rice, and I'm going to put my rice in alongside with my saltfish. So right now I have like 2 cups of rice washed, so I'm going to pour my rice in. So now I'm going to stir everything in. Put the stove on 7. And I think there's too much water, so I'm going to take out some of the water. So now I'm going to cover it and let the rice cook. I almost forgot my saltfish, guys. So I'm adding in my saltfish right now. I almost forgot my saltfish. So I put my saltfish in, so I'm going to leave it to cook right now. As you can see, the rice is drying down. So I'm going to put it on the stove on 4 now because the water already dried out. I'm going to get my fork and I'm going to stir it around. I'm going to take out this pepper, take out this thyme. So I'm going to leave it and let it steam. Normally I cook rice with just 1 water. I just measure my water and know that it's 1 water I'm going to add. I don't add any water after I put the 1 water inside the rice. So I'm going to leave it now and let it steam. So it's my seasoned rice is finished. So I'm going to turn off the stove. So that's how I make my seasoned rice guys. I put carrots, pumpkin, cabbage, string beans, okro, and I use saltfish as my meat. And then I had to hit scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper. I put a little all-purpose seasoning, and I put a chicken noodle, the powder from the chicken noodle, inside of it to give it taste. And I had a little butter to it. Look at that. So, it looks so delicious and nice. So I'm gonna plate it and let you guys see the finished dish. Stay tuned. That looks delicious. So here you go. That's the finished dish of my seasoned rice, Jamaican style. So once again, guys, you can like, subscribe, hit that notification button, comment down below and tell me what you think about my video. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do so, and please share this video. Thank you again, guys, for watching. Bye until next time.